In the next 12 months, most marketers in the world need to migrate their Google Analytics implementation from Universal Analytics to GA4. Here are some of my most important tips, to-dos and some don'ts. First, take GDPR and privacy seriously. You don't need all the machine learning features GA4 would provide you, and you don't need to track all the data you are used to tracking. Start with a simple and strong implementation. Track page views, conversions, campaigns, and most important events for user interaction. 3. Plan the event structure and custom dimensions before you start with the implementation. This will make maintenance much easier. 4. Debug your implementation before you add more and more features and complexity. Otherwise, you'll just get lost in the features and never have time to debug everything. Don't try to recreate Universal Analytics tracking with GA4. Rethink how you track users. GA4 is very different from Universal Analytics, so it doesn't make any sense to just recreate and copy everything you've done in the last 5 or 6 years with Universal Analytics. For this, you also need to declutter your GTM container. Remove all the tags, triggers and variables you don't need. Almost always there are dozens of triggers and variables and tags that are not used anymore by anyone for any purpose at all. So it will help you to keep your GTM container sane, safe and clean. Start now, improve later. It's true that you should start now if you really need to have year-over-year data for all the metrics. But actually, for how many metrics you need year-over-year comparison data? Not for every event. I'm pretty sure about that. So implement the basics first and continue later. Then my final tip, stream your data to BigQuery from day one. It doesn't cost anything to collect data or store it in BigQuery. Only when you start using it, analyzing it, and reporting it, for example with Data Studio, you might incur some costs depending on the amount of data you have collected. Thank you for listening or watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.